The electoral uncertainty occasioned by lack of an independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission is set to continue due to an ongoing matter in the Court of Appeal. The court will give directions on the appeal filed by Augustus Muli and the Azimio coalition. Augustus Muli opposed the nomination of Dr. Koki Muli to the selection panel and has been engaged in a protracted battle for the nomination slot. Stephen Leto kicks us off on Citizen Weekend.
The road to recruit new IEBC commissioners is still bumpy, clouded with uncertainty of an appeal lodged in court by disgruntled parties. The appellate court has set the hearing for Tuesday, the 28th of this month, by a three-judge bench. It is, however, not clear if the Court of Appeal will clear the remaining hurdles or the hearing and determination of the appeal will take longer. The case by Augustus Muli of the National Liberal Party opposes the inclusion of Koki Muli, whose name was forwarded by the Wiper Democratic Movement Party to the selection panel. According to the case by Augustus Muli and the Azimio coalition, the political parties disputes tribunal did not grant Ambassador Koki Muli the right to be heard, and that political parties dispute tribunal lacked jurisdiction to hear the complaint before it. The appellants further add that the political parties disputes tribunal selected a stranger to represent Azimio in the case, and that the political parties dispute tribunal did not affirm the 2/3 gender rule and it usurped the role of Azimio in picking its nominee to the IEBC selection panel. The National Liberal Party and its leader Augustus Muli challenged the decision by the High Court, which held that he won in the election by Azimio parties but in the wrong category. The ruling by the High Court in effect handed the Wiper Party a chance to nominate its candidate Koki Muli to the hiring panel. Wiper Party leader Kalonzo Musyoka has in the past accused the government of using proxies to undermine the process and delay it altogether.
I urge those who are standing in the way of reconstituting IEBC to be able to see the bigger picture. They should set aside their narrow selfish interests in preference to the greater good of this nation.
IEBC haipigi kura, Bwana Kalonzo Musyoka. Ni Wakenya ndio wanapiga kura.
Should the Court of Appeal give a no to the gazettement of the 9 nominees, then they will be pressed for time to have the names ready for submission to the President for appointment, with 2 years and 7 months left to the next general election. Stephen Leto, Citizen TV.